The reason why the world is now recognizing Pakistan after it became a nuclear power is Gwadar. The town of Gwadar was under the control of the small neighboring Gulf state of Muscat till 1958. Muscat, also known as the Sultanate of Oman, planned to sell Gwadar to India due to its economic woes. When the government of Pakistan came to know about the deal through its host, Muslim people in business in Mumbai, then Pakistan's government, whose prime minister was Feroz Khan Noon, immediately paid more than India without any leniency. Gwadar became part of Pakistan in 1958. At the time of the sale of Gwadar, it was agreed between the governments of Muscat and Pakistan that the people of Gwadar had acquired the citizenship of both countries at the same time, but only those born after 1985. Citizens of Pakistan will be considering under the agreement. The people of Gwadar will have civil rights in the Sultanate of Oman. Many of them are employed in the army and the other departments of the Sultanate of Oman, and many Baloch people also do business in Oman. Just as the tribes on both sides of the Pak-Afghan border have socio-cultural trade and family ties, so do the Balochs of Gwadar. The Balochs of the Sultanate of Oman have ancient and profound political families, social and commercial relations. The recently built Gwadar Cricket Stadium has made its mark on the world, has been pulling to the side. The construction of the world's most beautiful cricket stadium in Gwadar is the result of improved security. Built at the foot of the mountains in Gwadar, this cricket stadium adds to the city's beauty. Before it became a stadium, it used to be in ruins, but the youth started playing cricket in 1986 by building a small ground. This place has been transforming from a raw field to a complete stadium. Now, the people of Gwadar want PSL matches held here to watch international level cricket. 30 Chinese companies, including hotels, banks, logistics, and fish processing companies, are investing a total of more than 247.3 million in the zone. Once fully operational, the companies will have an annual turnover of 790.5 million. By the end of this year, Gwadar's cargo handling capacity will increase to 1.2 million tons, and by 2022, it will start processing 13 million tons of cargo. That is why the United States has announced a new route instead of Gwadar. China is currently supplying oil from the Middle East through the Malacca Strait, but the United States has made preparations to stop China. So Gwadar has become a backbone for China. Gwadar will emerge like Dubai in front of the world in the next few years, and you and I will be proud to be Pakistanis, as the value of the country's green passport will be very high in the coming years. Dear friends, all you have to say about this video today is to express your valuable opinion in the comments box. To watch more such informative videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel soon, and I will see you with a new and exciting video. Until then, permit me. Allah Hafiz.